So one thing that's really cool about the iGarden K-Series pool cleaning robot is that it's got that long battery life. So you can set it to clean for an hour, hour and a half, or 2 hours, and then just throw it in your pool for a week. You heard me right. For a week, just throw it in your pool, and every day for an hour, hour and a half, or 2 hours, depending on what you set it, it will just wake up and start cleaning your pool, which is actually ideal because a lot of people's pools don't need to be cleaned for, say, 4 or 5 hours once a week when you can just have it going and cleaning your pool once a day. And so once a week, then you pull it out, charge it back up, charges up nice and fast, throw it back in your pool for another week. Doesn't get any easier than that when it comes to pool cleaning, and iGarden did a pretty creative thing by doing that method of a battery power save system and cleaning schedule. So a little different than some other pool cleaning robots, but I dig it. Okay, I want to show you this really quickly in the beginning here because it is so easy to use the K40 from iGarden. So definitely want to charge it up fully before you use it the first time. After you get it charged up, just go ahead and unplug it and make sure that this little cover gets securely put back on right there. Then we're going to take it over to the pool. Look at how dirty my pool is right now. That's embarrassing, Michael, seriously. And then check this out. There is a lock button on the bottom. You want to make sure that that's rotated to the unlock position. You get frustrated if it doesn't turn on if you don't put that in the unlock position like that. And then right here, simple to use controls. We'll set it up in the app here in just a minute and I'll show you how to do that. But you've got all the controls you need right here. You got 1 hour, 1.5 hours, or 2 hours of cleaning. You've got your various cleaning modes right here. If you want it to be floor and walls or just floor, you can choose that, your battery level, and some other settings we'll get into here in a second. But all we have to do now is push the power button and now it's ready to go. We can set this into the pool like so, and it's gonna start doing its job. There it goes. One of the most frustrating things about owning a swimming pool used to just be chemicals or cleaning the pool. But now actually robot pool cleaners have been doing a great job, but there's one thing that they all kind of have in common. And that is that after a period of like maybe 2, maybe 3 hours, they die. The battery runs out, you gotta retrieve the pool robot, you gotta put it on the charger, you've got to wait for it to charge up so you can then do the whole thing all over again tomorrow. Now, in the last several years, I've tested probably 15 to 16 different pool robots in our swimming pool here, and they all have one very similar thing in common, and that is that their battery will die. Some of them within the cleaning cycle, I've got to charge it and then put it back in and it will continue its cleaning cycle. Others, will last a few different cycles, but at some point they stop and you got to pull them out. Now, this here is the iGarden K-Series robot pool cleaner, and they have a pretty wild claim. You charge it once, you put it in your pool, and it will go based on a schedule, cleaning your pool for 7 days. Yes, an entire week. So we've got to talk about this. We've got to figure out if this thing is legit and it will actually last that long. Because most robot pool cleaners are just like that, where you have to charge them, you put them in, and some of them did a good job cleaning my pool here, others left a little bit to be desired, but overall they cleaned the pool pretty well. But every single one had the same thing. Once they were done working, their battery was drained, you had to retrieve them on a daily basis. So I do like the aspect of just being able to put the iGarden K-Series robot pool cleaner into my pool here and then just let it do its thing on its schedule for an entire week. So let's talk about debris pickup though. Like leaves, sand, little twigs and stuff, that's pretty standard for robot pool cleaners to pick up. But what about pebbles, like landscape gravels? That doesn't usually get picked up and I gotta manually pull that out of my pool. And the filters. Filters is another area where robot pool cleaners have come a long ways, but I still think they have a long ways to go. So the filter basket on the K-Series is surprisingly very easy to clean, which I absolutely love that aspect of it because some of those robot pool cleaner filters, they can get pretty nasty and dirty, especially if you're not staying on top of cleaning them. So don't just empty them, definitely clean them. So iGarden, when they reached out to me to say, hey, we want to send you our pool cleaners to test them out, I honestly had not heard of iGarden brand before, so I was eager to see how these pool cleaners would do because they claimed some very revolutionary things. They told me the actual numbers, one charge, 7 full days of cleaning, not 7 hours, 7 days. And I was like, huh? Is that true? Well, the battery in the K series is 9,600 milliamp hours. And most robot pool cleaners, to put that into perspective, is only about 2,000 to 3,000 milliamps. So we're talking 3 to 4 times the capacity of most robot pool cleaners. And yeah, that matters because this thing goes around your pool systematically, cleaning up all of the debris in your pool. Now, weight-wise, I wouldn't say it's feather light, but it's definitely lighter than a lot of other robot pool cleaners that I've tested. And I actually love the overall design of this. It's kind of designed and built like a race car, so it does look pretty sleek. And I love how they've really designed this pool cleaner to look sharp, but it's also aerodynamic in the water. I've also noticed that it doesn't just like bounce around randomly. It does have a very smart path optimization, and it mapped my pool. It figured out the layout, and it cleans in systematic lines, like a person would, like someone actually was thinking about what they're doing cleaning the swimming pool. I mean, I watched this thing for 3 days straight, didn't charge it once, just put it in the pool, let it run on its schedule, and it covered the entire pool, getting it sparkly clean. Walls, corners, the weird spots on my steps where some other older units just didn't do very well, the K series hit everything that it needed inside of my pool, so I'm very, very impressed. It climbed the walls properly too. It goes up, cleans the water line, scrubs it nicely, transitions smoothly, and adaptive mobility system actually adapts to your swimming pool shape over time. Whether you've got curves, steps, tanning ledge, Baja ledge, whatever you want to call it, it figures it out. But let's also talk about suction power. This is where I was like really curious because iGarden talks about a turbine grade impeller, which yes, does sound like a lot of marketing hype, but when I tested it with actual debris and large landscape gravel, it handled it. Leaves, obviously, fine sand, no problem. But small pebbles, yeah, I actually purposely tossed landscape gravel into my pool.
All right, little buddy. Left you some nice landmines in there. Let's see if you can get all of that debris up. You up for the challenge? Let's do it. Go. Go get them.
And where other cleaners might have choked up on the K series, it just handled it. It sucked it up, it cleaned it. Now, it did take a couple of passes to get it all up, but it did a very good job.
Oh yeah, you are doing a great job. Look at you go, iGarden. All right, I gave it a pretty difficult task of pulling up some just landscape rock that I threw into my pool. So I just want to see if it really picked up any. Oh, look at there. Yeah, look at that. Totally sucked up the landscape gravel. That's a hard task to give a pool robot. Pretty impressed.
You also get something called turbo mode, which is like 200% power on this. So you can clean it much faster with stronger suction. If you got big trees or maybe you got a party coming up, turbo mode gets this thing into beast mode. You can actually hear the difference. This suction ramps up, the impellers spin faster, and it just demolishes whatever is in its path. So I love the turbo mode. Now, the app is actually good. I was actually shocked at how thoughtful it was and all of the features that they built in. Some of these pool apps that I've tested, it's like they were designed in 2010 by a web developer, not a software engineer.
All right, so let's get this connected up to the mobile app here. Once you've got your iGarden turned on, you're just going to push and hold the power button to make sure it's on. There we go. Now it's on. And the next thing you want to do is click on add device in the mobile app, hit continue. It's going to search for it. You're going to say yes to Bluetooth and connecting. And then there it is. It found it right there, the pool cleaner. You're going to enter in your Wi-Fi password and connect to the internet. There we go. It's going to start adding it. Success. Hit done, and now we're inside the mobile app, just like that, super easy. And what you're gonna notice here is that you can turn on and off turbo mode, and when you do that, it's going to be automatically adjusting those settings directly on the iGarden K series. Like there, you can see that the turbo changed. So when I turn it off on the mobile app, it's going to turn off on the K-Series Robot Pool Cleaner as well. If you want to do floor versus walls or floor and wall, you do that as I'm doing it here in the mobile app. It's also changing it on the Robot Pool Cleaner itself. Of course, you can manually do it right here on the robot itself, which I love that you have the option of doing both. And then as far as how long you want it to run, you can adjust this from 1 hour to 2 hours. And then the AI mode, depending on what you want it to do for cleaning, it's going to run once per day all the way up to 3. So you've got some options there. It's very clean. It's very simple. I like that aspect of it. It's very straightforward, not rocket science to try to figure this out. But let's put this back in turbo mode and get it back in the water and have it start cleaning again.
You can actually schedule cleaning dates, interval duration mode. You can have it, clean every Tuesday and Friday for 2 hours in standard mode. Done. You can do that. You can do quick cleans like during pollen season, and even schedule different times of it to clean your pool depending on how picky you want to get with it. But it really becomes down to just setting it and forgetting it. The pool stayed very, very clean because the K-Series is just always working, not dying after an hour or two, waiting for you to come retrieve it and then charge it. It just does its job day in and day out and has no problem just hanging out in your pool, waiting and ready for the next time that it's going to go out and clean. Now, remember I complained about disgusting filters? Well, the K-Series filter basket is still a basket. It's not magic, but it is larger than most, and more importantly, it's designed so you can rinse it without touching the gross stuff inside. Much easier to clean than some other filters I've tested. The access is from the top, no flipping it upside down or having to access weird pathways to get to it, and there's even no latch. You just pull up on it and the whole thing pulls out. It catches fine particles and the big stuff as well. I've been running this now for a couple of weeks and my water is staying crystal clear. The clarity is amazing. A lot of people don't realize that if you're not getting that finer dust and sand out of your pool, you're gonna have cloudy water.
All right, let's see what kind of presents you brought for me. Whoa, we are loaded. Look at that. Look at all those big pieces it picked. This thing is full, full, full. Great job. Look at that. Easily now just dump this and back to cleaning, buddy. Look at all that nastiness. All right, see all the sand in there? Watch how easy it is to clean this off. There we go. All clean and ready for another round. Look at how clean you're keeping our pool. Doing a great job, iGarden.
So I've been through plenty of pool cleaners at this point, and the battery life definitely does matter. The smart navigation I absolutely love, and the suction power in this K-Series. And this isn't even their flagship series. It's very impressive. So I think the value is absolutely there in the iGarden K-Series robot pool cleaners. This one here specifically is the iGarden K40, but they have different levels in their series. So check those links and make sure you find the one that is best suited to your pool. But if you're tired of babysitting your pool cleaner, constantly charging it and finding little spots where it just misses every single time, then the iGarden K-Series is absolutely worth checking out. For that week-long battery, I love the whole experience of the K-Series, and it should do a great job in your swimming pool. It's done a great job in mine. So as IGMANSHED viewers, you right there watching this video, I was actually able to secure a 5% discount from iGarden. So be sure to use the links in the description on my video here, because you're gonna get the absolute best price on the internet right now. And if you grab one, let me know how it works in your swimming pool. And if you've got questions that I didn't cover here in this video, I'd love to answer those. So just drop those in the comments. I do read all of my comments. So thanks for watching. But now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to not clean my pool because I don't have to anymore with the iGarden K-Series Robot Pool Cleaner.